All right, there are a couple good examples of the social sentiment widget on the TradeEasy platform today, and they have to do with earnings. And so I pulled up the TradeEasy widget, the sentiment widget on the TradeEasy platform, and there are a couple that popped right up today that I like a lot. So first would be Caterpillar. So you click on Caterpillar, and we have a couple earnings, technical price action, and then obviously there's some macro with a firm like Cat. They reported some strong earnings. You could have seen this on the earnings watcher widget today. They had positive sentiment and they reported earnings. If you click on Caterpillar today, you'll see that it goes an average of 0.24. It's up significantly so far from the open today. So you had plenty of time this morning to look at this one, evaluate the earnings, and get in. And I believe it's up $5 right now from the open. If you look at another one that came up was EPIX, ESSA Pharmaceuticals. This one's kind of interesting because it gapped up, earnings, short squeeze, and drug trial. It gapped up, but it's only higher at the end of the day 38% of the time. And if you click on the 38% of the time, you can see the criteria that we're using for that. And on average, it's down 1.21% when this has happened out of 21 times. So what this stock typically does is it gaps up and then moves lower as a follow through on that one. On the bottom sentiment, there's a couple good ones today. So for example, Sleep Number is falling out of bed. Get it? Sleep Number. In this particular case, it is actually down from the open. They reported weak earnings. This one was negative earnings. Sentiment has been negative all night, and it's moved lower. So this is a good example of where you can get in and get some shorts, maybe some option position. This one was actually in the earnings watcher as well. And then the last one that I want to talk about today was Form Factor. Form Factor earnings, downgrade, upgrade. So there's a little bit of disconnect between upgrades and downgrades, but it does on average go 0.65% lower. And this one is another one that had plenty of time to get in and is actually lower right now than it was at the open. So top sentiment and bottom sentiment is a real-time monitor of the most positive and negative sentiment securities, short squeezers, securities that are having a large short squeeze conversation. And you're going to get Tesla, Apple, and GameStop, Netflix, Roblox. Here you've got MUL Automotive, Meta Materials, and ESSA Pharma. So these are some good examples that you can go in and trade on today.